Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have a die-cast toy here, and it's not a Chorokyu, and it's a little bit heavy guys, and came from Japan. This is the Shinsei mini power toy made in Japan, legit guys, and it's kind of bit heavy. It's a collector's items, and as you can see, the details guys, perfect, like the one the real thing guys. So anyway guys, this is the Komatsu D155W. It's a amphibious bulldozer guys, or they call it underwater dozer. Produced in 1971, and they only built a total of 36 unit guys. They could work in 22 to 23 feet of water, thanks to their what they call this snorkel and a watertight engine guys. Okay, and this one guys, it's a remote control operation guys. So as you can see, it has no seats. Okay, and they are built to work at the bottom of the harbor in Japan, here in the Philippines guys, and some part of Europe. And I think today, from out of 36 units guys, I think they have at least 5 units working today. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I just bought this as a second hand. It has a missing part here, the one that they call it scraper guys, scraper, just like a big claw. And this one guys, the snorkel, it has a stand here, and it is also missing. Even though the parts are missing, as you can see, it's very good condition, the paint. And the rubber track guys, they have no crack at all, and they can move, as you can see guys. Okay, so when submerged guys, this one will go up like this. Then the shovel guys, as you can see in the front, it has some, what they call this, you can open it like this one guys. So, and it's a Shinsei mini power toys made in Japan, legit guys. Shinsei Komatsu D155W amphibious bulldozer. Okay, one of my additional in my collection guys of heavy equipment, vintage heavy equipment guys. Okay, so that's it. And again guys, this is a Shinsei mini power toy made in Japan. This one is the Komatsu D155W amphibious bulldozer. Okay, and it's made in Japan. That's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.